What's up FTC? Welcome to our programming tutorial series. This is team 23161 Cyberlis76 and over the next bunch of videos we'll be walking you through literally everything you need to go from zero to writing real competition code. These videos are short, straight to the point and made for rookies, so no matter if you've never coded before or you're just switching from blocks, you'll be just fine. Before we touch any code though, we're going to need some tools. Our first tool is going to be Android Studio, an IDE. This is where we'll be basically coding in. All you need to do to download it is enter the link in the description, press download, and wait for it to pop up here. Once that's happened, all you have to do is click on the installer and follow the steps to install Android Studio. Another tool that we're actually going to need is also the Ftc SDK, Starter Development Kit. And this will basically be like our starting canvas for when we start coding. And so once you've installed Android Studio and you've set it up, all you have to do is press code, copy this URL to your clipboard. You're going to want to open your project in Android, go to new, projects from version control, paste your link, and you're going to want to make sure that you have Git installed. If not, there's going to be something about here. You're going to want to install Git first and press clone. Once you've done that, you should have something like this. And to basically make a good start for this video, let's also start on our first class. So we're going to call it my first op mode. And I guess we could start with something simple like programming a motor and understanding some concepts. Now this is your basic Java class, and what we're going to want to do first is add this extends up mode, and this is going to need two methods, sorry. First one is going to be public void init and public void loop. And like I said, what we're going to want to do is program a simple motor. So let's start by declaring it, obviously. Once we've done that, what we're going to have to do is link it to our control hub. And once we've completed the configuration for it, we're going to have to declare it in our code. And that's done by using your hardware map, the class we're using, and the name. So we're just going to use a simple motor. Now that we've done that, we've declared our motor, it's been linked to the motor connected to the control hub, and we can implement some simple movement. So we can say if button 8 on our gamepad is pressed, let's move the motor. Set power 1, for example. And outside of this, we're also gonna give it a set power 0. One more thing we can add is the annotations. So in FTC we have two annotations for our op modes, one being teleop and one being autonomous. But since we're going to use autonomous, we're just going to use this. Additionally, you can give it a name. If you don't assign it, it'll just take the name of the class. That's what's going to pop up in your driver station. If not, we can give it a simple name. And also assign it a group. For example, I'll give it a group A. Additionally, we can also use telemetry, which is used to show data on your driver station. So that could be anything like this. is initialized. And when we go here, we could do something like telemetry, add data, status, running. And we're also gonna make sure to update it. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Good luck and have fun. This was 23161 Cyberlis76.